welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy. If it's your first time here, I'm so happy to have you. To all of my current subscribers, thank you guys for coming back to tune in for another video. So today's video is just about me glamming myself up, doing my natural glam. I got so many comments on my how to 5 lock styles video for short to medium hair. I'll put that in the cards above. You guys gave me so many compliments on my makeup. I was so overwhelmed. Didn't realize how bomb my makeup looked until you guys pointed it out, and I was like, man, dang, my makeup really does look really good. A lot of you were inquiring about makeup and gave me so many compliments that I decided to come and do a how to natural glam. Yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I do that natural, I would say it's an everyday glam. You could wear it pretty much anywhere. You can even wear it to work if you just want to be extra, but you don't have to depending on your place of work. But yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I achieve that look, then continue to watch. Currently, I do not use a primer. When I first got into makeup, really heavy into makeup, buying more expensive products other than drugstore brand, I was using primers because I thought that's what you had to do. But now I've found my own way to do my makeup. So this is what I use to prep my skin, and this is the Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer by Henrikson. And I also use the Truth Serum. 2 pumps onto my wrist here, and then I take it and I dab it all over my face. I even put some on my neck, and I just rub it all in. Now after you rub this all in, you want to give it a second to dry before you apply the moisturizer. So it does get kind of tacky, but it's not too bad. So now that that's all dry, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer here. I'm just going to dab that on my face. And then I'm going to rub it all in. So now the skin is nice and prepped, as you can see, nice and moisturized. Moisturizer is so important, guys. You got to keep your skin hydrated no matter how oily you are. You want to keep your skin hydrated. I have normal skin, so I don't really have issues with dry skin or oily skin as long as I keep moisturizer on my face. So I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty for my foundation today, which this right now is my holy grail. Rihanna and her team did a good job with the undertones. So it goes on light, but it mixes in so well with my skin. It does dry down pretty quickly, so you gotta work pretty quickly. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Love this stuff. This is another one of my holy grails. I really don't use anything else right now. It's in the shade Hazelnut. I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to work in my concealer here. Next, I'm going to set my concealer with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I don't bake, so I'm just going to dust that away really quick. I'm going to warm up my skin with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. I'm going to take that same beauty blender and just blend out my contour. So when I contour my nose, I like to use this tapered brush, and I just like to bring it down just like that. For my eyebrows, I am going to use this NYX Micro Pencil in the shade Espresso, I believe. Espresso. Make sure I get that right. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up. Brush them up. I don't know. I like to do my brows after I do my highlight and contour. That's just my preference. So I'm gonna take a line and just go straight up here. And I'm gonna draw hair-like lines through my brows. And now I'm just going to take some of that same concealer that I use to conceal my under eye, and I'm going to use that and clean up my brow. I am using a concealer brush by Bobbi Brown. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel in the clear one and just brush through my brows like so. Also going to set my contour with my Bobbi Brown bronzer. I also like to go back and set my concealer, even though I've already set it with Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I like to go over it in MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest to give it a little color. Alright, so next I'm going to apply my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I'm just going to put a little bit on my top lashes here. But these bottom lashes is where we're going to go in at, okay? I'm going to line my waterline with my Bobbi Brown Longwear Eye Pencil. Next, I'm going to apply my blush. This is also from Bobbi Brown. The color is Clementine. Next, I'm going to apply some highlight from the MACxSelena times ColourPop collection in the shade Boomin'. Now I'm going to apply my lashes. These are 3D volume lashes that I actually got at my local beauty supply store. Premium lashes, 100% silk lashes, girls. Y'all can get these anywhere. I think these cost me like $3.99 or $2.99, so I stocked up on them, and this is M358. Yes, it cut them because they were a bit too long for my lash. So I'm just gonna look down and I'm gonna apply my lashes. Before I apply my lips, I'm just gonna set my face with my MAC Prep and Prime. To line my lips, I'm going to be using my NYX lip liner in the color Chestnut. I also use MAC's Chestnut lip liner pencil, but I've run out of that. Actually, I gave it to my mom and she lost it. So I need to give me another one, but the NYX one is a lot cheaper and it was at my beauty supply store. I'm going to line my lips with this. And for my lipstick that was specifically used in that 5 Black Styles video, it was actually from the Selena collection, but MAC also has another lip color that I like to use. This is a glaze. This is Amor Prohibido. Amor Prohibido. Amor Prohibido. I think I'm saying it right. Amor Prohibido, no moon, Amorascaris. I don't even know if I said that right, but whatever. Y'all get my drift. MAC actually has another one that I used to use because I'm pretty sure you guys can't purchase this one anymore, but that is what I had on in that particular video. But another one that you could purchase, you could use any nude lip color. MACxSelena and ColourPop, the Quickie lip color works really well. I'll have to link it down below, the MAC lipstick that I have used to kind of create this look that I also gave to my mom and she lost. Shout out to you, mama. You ain't getting no more lipstick from me, girlfriend. Yeah, and I loved it too. It was my holy grail and she lost it. Girl. But anyway, so whatever. I'm gonna put the name of that lip color as soon as I figure out what it was, because I can't remember right now. And I'll put that in the description box for you guys. Alright guys, well this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Y'all bear with me. I'm trying to get better at these makeup tutorial videos, trying to like either just deciding whether I should talk through them or do a voiceover. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for the love about my makeup, my lock videos, whatever you watch. Thank you so much for your support. And let me know if you like this video, if you would like more makeup tutorials or whatever. I'll do my best to supply that type of content for you guys. But once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so that you can get notifications when I do upload a new video. Peace. Be blessed, guys. Bye.